with Vicky's Tigger Tales. Welcome to my channel where we swap, unbox, and talk all things Disney. This particular video is a video for the Year of the Ear. This collaboration swap is hosted by the SisketEars, Mary and Tony, and who do an amazing job. Every single month there is a theme, and you can pick and choose what theme you want to be involved in. You can be involved in all of them or some of them. This particular theme for this month, it was one I was really excited to do. These are my December ears. I took January and February off and kind of kicking myself because there was a couple of things that were, there are a couple of themes that I actually would have loved to have done, but I wanted to definitely make sure that I was involved in this particular month. This particular swap is a no preference, so it's the creator's take on the theme that has been presented, and this month's theme is the underrated characters. So I was super excited to see who this box was from. It was a surprise, but yet not a surprise, and that's just a little inside joke between me and him. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead. I got this box on Saturday. Today's Monday. I have been dying to get into this because Jake makes some incredible ears. I kind of see something peeking out. This is cool. This is gonna be awesome. He makes some incredible ears, and I've cut the tape already so I could get into this quickly. But let's start with the card. It's this cute little flower card. I love Flower, is one of my favorite sidekicks, so great addition. It says, Vicki, underrated characters are some of my favorite in the Disneyverse. Mine too. I went very out of the box with these ears. Thank you for indulging my wacky creativity. Jake from Jake's Disney Afternoon, who is adorable. Definitely need to check out his channel. He's got some absolutely wonderful content. If you are a fan of the Disney Afternoon shows that Disney put out during pulling back the foozles, these are epic. You guys are gonna freak out. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's a little added extra. Okay. These are amazing. All right. I think I'm just gonna put them on and show you because I don't want to ruin the surprise. It is so in traditional, remove the old, put on the new, and oh my god, the back is even better. Okay, sorry. I have always adored certain movies. It's no secret that I love the Disney animals. One of my absolute favorites is Jungle Book. And I love every character in that movie. From Louie to Blue to Bagheera. Bagheera's my favorite. It's just, I think it's a fabulous movie. I love the live action, the whole 9 yards. And that's what this particular pair of ears are. So, here they are. And this is what I love. This is what I was laughing about, as well as I'll show you the back side in a minute. But it looks like Bagheera's just like hanging out on top of my head. Got his arm, he's all chill, resting. These are adorable. Check out Bagheera and Louie. This is so awesome. So, these would actually, I'd probably have to pin. They keep wanting to fall forward. They're not heavy on my, like hurting me or anything, but they're a little heavy, like the weight forward. So I would definitely clip these in and wear these at the parks for sure. Adventureland, hello. But check this out. It's got Bagheera's tail, Bagheera's tail. I mean, not Bagheera, I'm sorry. Baloo's tail. So cute. And then Louie, of course. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. I'm sitting here calling Baloo Bagheera the whole time. So not a Disney YouTuber. What's wrong with me? So, but look how cute. Just chilling. It's okay. I'm a bear. I'm just gonna hang out. I'm just gonna, you know, be in your ears and your head, and you're gonna walk around like that. I love those. Those are so cute. So, these are awesome. These are absolutely awesome. I love these. Jake, go ahead and think outside the box. they're definitely worth the creative wackiness that they do display. I love these. These are so perfect. So check out everyone's videos. There are several different channels that are involved in this. There is also a secret giveaway. You will have to watch all the videos to find out who the giveaway person, whoever whatever channel is doing the giveaway, to be involved. So I'll have everyone's description, or everyone's channel link down in the description box, so you can just click as you go down and check out everyone's channel anyway. There is some fantastic creative people that are involved in this every month. And it's worth it. I love when it's the year of the ear time. Even if I'm not involved, I'll still watch all the videos that come out. Because the creativity in this community is astounding. It just is just chef's kiss. It is wonderful. Jake is no exception. I love these. Thanks for creating stuff out of the box. These are the most unique pair of ears I probably own. So I absolutely adore them. They're wonderful. Sorry, Baloo, for calling you Bagheera like half the video, but you know, those bee names. Anyway, like I said, down below, watch all the videos, secret giveaway. You'll follow the instructions of the person's video as to how to enter. So I hope you enjoyed. I will be involved in several other months, so stay tuned. I think the next one that I'm going to be involved in is May. I think I skipped April, but so May. And it's just a lot of fun. The themes are wonderful to create or inspire creativity rather. If you want to be involved for this, also reach out to Mary or Tony. They do have a list of people that want to be included as well, so you can always check with them. And thank you so much for watching. Jake, you have outdone yourself, my friend, and I am so glad for that. Take care, everyone. Ta-ta for now.